Hello. Nightcare, how's it going? Mr. Wilson, hello, hello. Amethyst, hello, hello, hello. Alright, we have long night ahead. I need to get this plugin ready again for the marketplace. And to do that, I'm gonna remove all the textures. Got news from them. I got one yesterday, I think. Just the same as before, like, you can't have any assets that are based. You can't have anything that's based. No, I need to, even if they're just for examples and they've been heavily modified, I can't include anything made by another marketplace creator. Even if it's permanent, even if it's in the free collection and whatnot, like the permanently free collection, or from Quixel Mega Scans. So, let's rejigify. It's not really going to take that long, honestly. Will grid materials? Yeah, exactly. I'll just need to find. I mean, like, I've got some textures that I've made. I just didn't think they'd be that anal about it. Like, you know, there's included a 256 by 256 texture from a free asset pack that I've downscaled to a quarter resolution and also reformatted so that the height map is in. Like, look how fucking pixely, you know what I mean? Like, it's not, I don't know. They're just being shitlords. I mean, like, I understand the reasons for being strict on it, but it's like, it's just weird. But understandable, better safe than sorry. Yeah, exactly. Well, I'm not, like, salty or anything. It's just frustrating. Because it means that when people are trying to, like, learn from the examples, they don't get a proper kind of... Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I could make some in Treat, and, like, obviously this, like, I'll show you what my idea is. I'm just gonna get all of these. We're gonna export them. Into the in and out folder. We want to export nothing with them because their fucking automated system's probably gonna fuck us up. And then this, you know, I'll do this one as well. These ones aren't really that relevant. This one's literally just a cube. I don't know if, like, they can't pull me up on this because it's literally a fucking cube, you know? Rockadoodle, hello. Thank you very much for the raid. So yeah, there's actually, like, not much that I need to change. The main thing is I'm just going to not have any textures on the example foliages. Like, just, yeah. Who even needs textures? Textures are illegal. Alright, have you ever thought about plug-inning your inventory that you mentioned in your devlogs? Kind of, but also not really. I don't know. It would take a bit of work. It's also like my inventory system works in a really specific way that I don't think a lot of games would want. Alright, where am I? Prismatiscape demo. Example meshes. Bam. Import. Wait, not this one. I'm going to use one of J's for that. Alright, what do we have here? That's not... Huh? Oh, right, I multi-selected. That one is... just another fern, so we'll just kill that one. This one here... That's literally just fucking... Wait, isn't that the same as that? Yeah, screw it. That one's delete. Alright, this one, this one, this one. The grass is fine. The ferns are mine anyway. Little fellas. That one I can just yeet. This one, and what was that? Dead grass. Yeah, true. Yeah, fuck that one. And then I'll have to use... I'll probably just use a really small tree as a bush. Using one of Jay's trees. Alright. So my idea... Well, this one's fine, so... Because I've already done that. I wonder what would happen if I took this and just like decimate it into the ground. Like I already simplified it, but if I just do a good old decimate. Okay, interesting. Can you preserve edges with a thingo? Ah, but then these are gonna just turn into verts and shit, you know? Well, what is this one? It's just showing that you can have clumps of individual dudes. You know what I mean? Crimson, hello. Early stream? Kind of? It's 11 PM. I usually start at 9 o'clock, but I had a brother's birthday. One of my many brothers' birthdays. Sounds early to me. Yeah, you know what? Good point. Alright, here's my idea. We get... these. We... split them. No, separate, sorry. Separate selection. Cool. We get this one. We decimate it. Yeah, now we're talking. Cool. Can I apply that? Yeah. Now we've just got floating verts. What can I do about them? Just who fucking cares? Why are they making me do this? It's so dumb. Just fuck off. Can you just like get rid of edges without faces? Faceless edges? Is that a thing that you can do in Blender? Maybe I should have done them first. What do they want you to do? Well, they... they're just being real annoying about using example meshes. Like real world example meshes, you know? Like Quixel. Delete loose? Where's that? Delete. Sorry, I'm trying to read. X to delete. Oh, that's a new one. Alright, yeah. Only edges. Only edges. Where's only edges? Yeah, I want the extra... I want just the little shitty bitties. Just things that aren't faces. Everything but a face. You know what, I'm just gonna get rid of these bits entirely. You know, fuck it. You don't get funny little flowers on your dudes. That is illegal now. Alright, so now we're just left with some shit. Very good. Alright, now we're gonna go back into here. We're gonna merge them again. What's merge again? Right click. Fucking... Isn't it like M? Control M? No? That's mirror. Join, that's it. Edges? But wouldn't that delete the edges that were also on faces? You know? You know what I mean? Yeah, but I only want to get rid of edges that don't have faces. Anyway, so now we just want to chuck this through a modifier. Like a twisty boy. Twist these nuts. Where's twist? Screw? That is not what I... No, that does a thingo. Where's twist? I just tried screw, didn't I? It would be like fucking deform. Twist. Oh, come on, man. Oh, in Z. There we go. There we go. See, and now it's a new asset. Do you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna put a fucking texture on it. So, like... If the marketplace guy is watching me, or girl, marketplace person, if they're watching me right now, suffering through this bullshit, And you're going to pull me up on it and be like, well, actually, that's another marketplace's asset person's thing. Wait, where did the fucking... What happened to these? Oh, that's the ghost of that. Then I will be very disappointed. And it's not gonna... It's not gonna be on the marketplace. Like, if this submission doesn't get past the bullshit automated check, it's just not... I'm just not doing it. You guys will just have to buy it on Gumroad. I'm sorry. I just can't... I can't do this anymore. I can't do it. What was I trying to do here? Decimate. Ratio. Wait, hello? Oh, I'm in fucking fuck mode. There we go. Good enough. Yep. Let's do a little deform. And no, actually I don't want to do that. I want to join them again. This is getting in the way of features, yeah. Yeah, and you know what? I'll even hand move some of these around just to really bring it home that this is my mesh. You know what I mean? Like, there's only one way you can model a maple sapling. Do you know what I mean? It's just fucked. I could give you all my foliage doc. You're saying legally I've donated and you legally have to do whatever with it. I mean, honestly, if you've got, like, meshes that are as simple as this, that would be great. Like, literally just 5 different types. Do you know what I mean? Because, like, the grass is fine. The grass is made by Sov. I can do a big bush from Jay's... I think I've still got all Jay's trees, actually. Content, Prismatica, Core... Not Core. What is it? Art. Smooth rain as hell. Because my meshes are simple as... That's perfect. That... If you just send me, like, a folder... then I'll just dig through it and choose a few, and that would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. In fact, I've got like some of my old foliage. Like, it's not like it's not like I'm running low on. I just wanted the examples to be like applicable by using the ones that everyone is going to download for free on the marketplace, you know? Because like in the video where I explain, oh, this is how you use the pivot painter, you know? So for like this mesh here from the Project Nature flowers pack, this is how you would do it. You'd select all the fucking dudes and you'd pee your pants and punch yourself in the face. You know? Anyway, let's go static meshes, natural trees. Yeah, and then we'll go Oakley no, that's the new oak trees. Here you go, here's Jay's ones. And you know, I'm just going to presume that I have Jay's permission to use one of his trees. Actually, no, you know what? I demand that I have permission to use this tree. Which one is this, actually? That would work as like a bush type thing. Yeah, I'll use that. That also has a texture, which is from Tree It, which is fine. Oh, it was that one, wasn't it? Wait, was it that one? Yeah. Alright, this one here. You are getting exported into the in and out folder. Bam. And then I'll do an old oak. One that I can scale down to look like a bush. Kind of like that. Although it does have branches, but I can poly paint them pretty easy. Plenty of things I've gotten from the marketplace use the default ass foliage. Yeah, I mean, like there's that default bush. But like including the default bush isn't gonna demonstrate how to use the pivot painting and like how the plugin works on like a fern, for example. Yeah, it's all a bit silly. It's all a bit silly, innit? Alright. Pine tree 16? True. True. Do I have any of my bushes still floating around? No, I don't. How does that one... You know, that one's got branchy branches. Yeah, that's like more tree-like. That's a tree-like. I still like some sort of reed asset for the big field. I've got an idea though. I can make it work. Because we can just get this. Check this out. We can get this. We can where is it? Good enough. And then there we go. Perfect. Chupacabra, how far along are you on Agent? I don't want to talk about it. And you know what? You know what? I'm gonna turn this into a dick and balls. Wait, where's my... Here we go. No, just connected. Connected only. Oh my god, why? What do you mean that's not connect? What the fuck? Eh? Merge by distance. Remove... What? Move? What do you mean they're not connected? Yeah, I don't know. This whole thing's just weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna chop the top off. Fuck, what's select again? Well, like, sorry, change. What's the, how do I change my... Like, my multi-select? Like, why can I not... Yeah, select box, but if I wanted to select, like... I don't know, I've completely forgotten how to use Blender. I'm, like, actually useless. You know what, that's good enough. Shift? No, I don't know. I'm too dumb. Also, I need to check the cards and shit. Alright, these ones here are literally just nothing burgers. God, we're getting the gnome party early. Alright, let me pump it up while I do this. No, go back. I don't need that one. What a banger. If I get pulled up for saying this is based on another mesh, then I don't know what the fuck they're smoking. You know, I'm just gonna fuck this one up heaps. Just check this out. $1080. Yeah, literally infinite money. Alright, and I'll just let the engine do the end guns. And then this bit up here, I will just get rid of. Well, except for the bit with the stuff. Why can't I L select? No, L. What is it to... No, what's the... Why can't I... How do you make your cursor bigger? How do I make... How do I... It's usually F, isn't it? To... Yeah, like, sir, yeah, but... Oh, that's it. Yeah, but what's the button that you hold to... C? No, that's not it. What the fuck are you talking about? No, I want to, like, make it bigger. You can press, like, F to... And it will, like... Square bracket? What the fuck? No, that's not right. Oh my shit. What the fuck? No, it's usually F and it will, like, let it get... Like, if I go to texture paint and I'm doing this and I press F, it goes bigger and smaller. So why does it not do that in here? They changed all the... I'm not on 4.0. I'm on 3. Right-click drag. No? What the fuck? This shit's fucked up. Someone has entered my house. Why can I not... I'm not fucking... It's just... What the fuck is this shit? Let me fucking... Scroll? What? Huh? What the... Why the... No, what? F? No, C scroll wheel. That's so fucking dumb. That's not how it was. That's not how it was. I'm telling you right now. How do I unselect... No, fucking... Unselect... How do I unselect joined verts to this? Was it always like this? That's simply not true. That is not true. I want to select all joined verts to this bit. Control L, that's it. No, what the fuck? Control L while hovering it. No. I want to unselect. Unselect. Shift L. There we go. Okay, we're all good now. I'm fine. Someone's gone and changed it, or I'm like, actually psychotic or something. Look at that. Alright, you know, I'm gonna bring this fella down. You know what? No more circle select. That shit's fucked up. Yeah, any psychosis in the chat? Oh, God. Any experts on... You know what? That's a mess, but fuck it. This one's like the only one that's kind of You know what? I'm gonna tell it to fuck off. And why can I not select things? Fuck off. Jesus. These ones are literally just triangles. They kind of served the same purpose anyway, so I'll just keep them like that. And you know what? I'm gonna just for fun... Oh my god. Just do like this, right? Just so they're just really stupid. That looks like nothing in real life. This is my original design of... my original design, right? Here's my idea, right? It's a plant with a stem, and then coming from the stem, this is my copyrighted idea, by the way, there are leaves. And then at the top of the stem, there is a flower. Did you model the plant? I did model this one, yes. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? It's all just fucking little fucking triangles. Came out that a few thousand years ago? Nah. I'm the first one to copyright it. And you know what else I'm gonna do with this one? I'm gonna fucking get a modifier, which is going to... No, what would it be? Stretch, not stretch. I want to taper it. You know what? No, that's fine. We do that. Alright, triangulate. What's the triangulate button? Just in dick mode. Faces, triangulate. Control T. There we go, we're all good. I'm fine. You can do this. You can do this. Make it damn thick. Yeah, that's a thick boy. Trying to also modifier. Ah, true. Triangulate. Cool. Alright, let's export these. Maybe I'll just get this one and make it damn big. Actually, no, it's fine. You know what I do want to do, though? I want to get... Why the fuck? Select these nuts. Oh my god. Why is it... Am I not in... I'm not in thingo mode. No. Get object mode. Click the... Something's happened to my Blender. I'm telling you right now. It didn't used to be like this. I will swear on God. No, you know what? No, that's fine. That's fine. So an hour ago and fix it. An hour's not too bad. An hour's pretty good. Also, I don't need to change the SOV mesh. I do want to import the Jay's trees. And then just tell them to chill out a bit. Actually, do these already have vertex groups, I wonder? I mean, it wouldn't really matter. No, they just have a light map UV, that's fine. Oh, this is going to be impossible to, like, pivot paint, though. For, like, a bush. You know what? I'm not going to do the trees. I could do these ones, because they're just individual Well, I need a tree example for the leaf fall off stuff. So yeah, I'll just use that one. It's fine. I guess this one functions as the bush. If I just scale it in X, Z, X, Y. And it's already centered to the dude. Right. All of you. Why can I not box select? All of you. Set. Set. How do I set cursor? Set. Can you just like fucking F3? Oh yeah, whatever. Yeah. Cursor to origin. Right, give me all the... No! Go... Oh my... fucking god. Cursor to world origin. Don't hit the cursor. Now let me just... Cursor selects and moves it to your selection. Yeah, well no, I wanna move them all to world origin. Move. Snap. To cursor. Oh, I can do that. It's cursor to world origin there. Alright. Let's grab all these little fuckers. I'm gonna export money. I'm gonna do, you go to the in and out folder. Make a new folder called Kill Myself. We can hit accept. Bam. Okay. Cool. Let's go back to the project. Do this, do that. I'm fine, I'm fine. Oh, good night, Care. Have a good one. Alright, so the fern is fine, because it's mine to begin with. I just put a texture on it. These ones here can get fucked off. Do I have to, like, remove it from the foliage thing? Wherever they are? It's fine. Well, it's just generic reggae with xylophones. You know? Alright, these ones here, you can get delete. Yep. The leaves and stuff, I will just retexture with a noise pattern. Like, who the fuck cares what they look like? This bush will get replaced with... not much. Oh, but they use a fucking specific material for this one. Can you just, like, replace with? Cool, cool, cool. Alright, Prismatiscape. Demo. Example meshes. This one... Import with new file. Kill myself. Yeah, it's got one with the same name. Reset to FPS. That's these ones. Wow, look at them now. Minus the texture, obviously. Oh, and look how not fucking pivot painted they are. Well, actually, it would have exported the pivot paintedness, but it's going to be incorrect now. This one here. I don't know if you're seeing the import. Yeah, true, the file path. Well, that's, you know, that's on them. Wait, why did that not... Don't tell me. That it only exported one of them. Don't tell me I didn't do batch export and I've just fucking... I'll have an autosave of Blender, right? 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 Blender autosave. If I open Blender. Ah, right, yeah, there should be. Alright, where are you? No, but I didn't save that. Recover last session. There it is. Okay, we're good, we're good. Alright, file, export, Mani FBX, batch meshes. There we go. And then we... Kill myself, accept. Okay, there we go. Actually, if I just put these in like this, they'll re-import over the other ones. Wow, look at my new meshes. Alright, so this one I'm just gonna delete. This one I'm going to delete. And the oak tree. Delete. These ones I keep, because they're literally, like, okay. Without the texture on these... Is this... You know, I'm not even going to ask the question. This here, I need to replace with cube. So we go to the pilaster. I'm in foliage mode. Right, pilaster. No, what are these even called in the outliner? SM pilaster. You are all getting replaced with cube. Engine meshes. Cool. And then the scale values for most of them are going to be... Why are they all... Oh, right, that's fine. Scale values will be 1 here. 1 here, and then 2 here. Oh. Cool. And then for these ones, they just have to be thinner. Easy. This material... Let's just go to textures, demo, fucking... Materials, textures. Can you replace references? Replace... You can re-import with a new file, but can I just replace everything that was using this? The reference. You know what I mean? I could just export it and re-import. Yeah, whatever. If you delete... Oh, yeah, true. Rooch. Alright, content. Prismatica. Art. I have textures. Let's see which ones I made. Bacon. rocky ground. The sand is my texture anyway. I have some other ones. Was this one of mine? No, that was a Lordenfell one. Where are all my old textures? The thing is that it needs to have a height map in order to actually do the shit, you know? I mean, I could just put this on sand texture. What about, like, ground texture only? My old ground dirt I could use, which is my one. Copy you into there. But there's a... What was that? Was that one of mine? I can't remember. I had one that was like ice or something. Ice, not spice. Or like volcanic, or like cracked ground, cracky crack. Any crack in the chat? What about like, no, it wasn't, what was it even called? Well, anyway, we'll just use the fucking dirt texture for most of them. So if I go into this one, and we go to... Well, first of all, let's just get rid of anything that is a texture for anything that is a thing. Not that, kill that, and that. So these ones don't need replacing. Delete this. Fuck my life. And then this one here, replace references with the, fuck's sake, ground, dirt, normal, in the Prismatiscape, dude. Replace references. Yes. Yes. Right. Good enough. And then this one I need to do the same. So this one, delete. Ground, dirt. Oh no, it's the ground dirt baked that I need to fucking... I had a baked version of it that had the height map baked in. Baked dirt text 1. Not as normal map, please, as this one. Copy there. Alright, let's just call this Prismatiscape Dirt. This one here, delete. Dirt, Pris. Replace. Yes. Yes. This one here, delete, replace, dirt, Pris. Yes. Replace. Yes. Yes. Right, the fucking height map is around the wrong way, I'm pretty sure, but... Do I really care? Probably not. Not really, no. This leaf is a... public domain image. Yeah. And these are all... So, okay, so we now have 0 textures in here. that are not created by me, except for this leaf. Which I could... You know what? You know what? I'm gonna fucking delete it. There you go. That's your fucking leaf now. You... What the fuck is that? Oh, that's... Even better. Why did that happen? Why did that happen? I don't think that's my... Well, you know what? That's gonna be it from now on. Photo reel. That's right. Good enough. Okay, so now just all these pilasters. You know it would be hilarious if they're like, actually some assets, some of the names in the outliner in the world have the same name as an asset from a thing. It's, I don't know. It's all just fucking automated. It's so dumb. Display 2 materials. Wall. Oh no, what's this? Just floor. Prismatiscape. Fucking flat floor? I don't know what this is. Whatever, I don't fucking care anymore. That's all good. The water is all mine and just uses engine textures, which everyone has because they're in the engine. Right, this fern. Let's fix your material. And by fix it, I mean no texture privileges. Cool. And also just put that in there. That one we're getting rid of. We're culling that one. This one here. Single large bush WPO example. You don't get any normals, so you can fuck off. Corrected normals go into there, I think. Also, this should technically still work. Like, the pivot painting should technically work. Okay, no, evidently not. We'll have to redo that one. It won't be a big deal, though. This one is basically the same as that one, so we yeet it. This is Sov's. These are my new flowers that I made. We need to fix their material by getting rid of the material, the texture. Cool. They are good to go. This one, you get yeeted. This one is a lot of fun. This one, I had so much fun creating this mesh. That was a lot of fun to make the small flowers one. Bam. Save. And then these little squishy boys, you can also get fuggled. Alright, what are these? Oh, these are the, Did I not put them? No, I didn't, did I? Demo example meshes. Alright, you can die. You can... Where's your example material, my brother? Or did it get replaced? No, that's still there. Cool. This one is the new one. That's an old one. You get delete. See ya. That one is don't even fucking know, honestly. Nice. Look at these examples. Wow, so fucking good. Alright, this one here. You guys can say goodbye. Because they don't let you use Megascans assets. God forbid we fucking use free assets by Epic Games in a fucking marketplace example level. Absolute fucking terrible. How could I live with myself? I'm sending you a rock model I made. Yeah, may as well do it. May as well. How do you use something they made that's for free? Yeah. Yep. Alright, this one I'm going to rename to Prismatiscape. Literally a cube. This one we delete. It's no longer being referenced. The maple sapling's all good. I will put it down. It doesn't use one of those ones. So, you know. They don't let make it? No. They don't allow anything. Let me just do a redirector fix up. Very high poly, you can just say that's so good. Yeah, I'll check the Discord. $22 megabytes. Jeez, that's bigger than the entire plugin folder. No, that's fine. That'll be goog. Oh, no, I want to. Okay, I don't think I... Oh, no, wrong fucking thing. Jesus. Go back. This one. There we go. That one's a bit sad. Alright, let's go to blend. Made for nanite. Ah, the classic nanite excuse. The nanite copium. Actually, I made it for, I made it for nanite. Oh, yeah, nice. Hell yeah. Use nanite out of laziness? Yeah, I think everyone does. That's what nanite's best for. No, I'm kidding. I'm not casting shade on nanite enjoyers. I would never do such a thing. Decimate. Hello. Planar. Oh god, it's just gonna get... I should have typed in a number. Oh, go 15 degrees. Plain as slow? Yeah, but it's better. Actually, I should have started with an unsubdivide, because it looks like its topology is all quads and shit. Whoops. Let me click on subdivide. It's not too late. Years later. You know what? Let's just start again. No, okay, new. There's vertex colors too. Okay. Fancy. Alright, now we're just gonna do... this. Decky, mate. Where are ya? Decimate. Unsubdivide. Iterations 3. That was quick. 5? And then what I want to... Well, let me just apply that first. Cool. Alright, that's not too bad. That's pretty good. And then what I want to do is... just scale it in Z so it's like a big fucking mess, you know? Nice. And then maybe just select the edges. And... GZ. Like this. Just so it's more usable as an insert. Done. I just want to export. File export. FBix. To the fucking thing. Put it in the kill myself folder. Accept. Yes. Close. Where are you? Here. This is the Prismatica TM official copyrighted tessellated plane. This is mine. This is mine. Official copyrighted TM. Grass _ sovereign dev _ yes, I have permission to use this. He literally sent it to me. This is Prismatiscape. Prismatiscape _ fallen leaves _ they are literally just scattered planes. Let's put this in. Wall flat. I didn't apply, you know, it's fine. Apply these nuts. Careful with file name list. Oh, fuck it. File name was too long. No, it had to be that long. It had to. Igor, how's it going? Alright, what material did this have on it? Prismatiscape underscore funny triangle flowers. Prismatiscape underscore comically large flowers. Prismatiscape custom spiral botanics. Prismatiscape underscore clump of hookers? No, hook flowers. Because they kind of look like hook flowers. They kind of look like they have hooks on the top, you know? Alright, what's this one? Prismatiscape generic bush that... Generic bush. Yes. This is the Prismatiscape spiral reeds. Incredibly spiralous reeds. Prismatiscape. You know, I don't need that dead yeah. This one's just Prismatiscape. Force delete. Alright, this one also needs to go like here. That model is the plugin, yeah. Alright, what was the, what were these using? Anyway, these are all... I'm signing off on all of these ones. They're all good. Oh no, this one, wall flat. This is called Prismatiscape underscore Rosie made this. But I can use it. Right, let's go to the example materials textures. So these are just all the same. Cool. Okay, heaps of stuff has broken. Which is fine, because I can fix them. I can fix him. This one is... This was using Megascans shit. So now I'm just going to say, hey, you're going to use that Prismatiscape dirt texture, dickhead. Bam. And you know, I don't even care that you're a parameter, honestly. We're all parameters in our own way. Does that make it shiny? Yes, it does. At the edges. Good enough. Now what? I have to fucking... You know what? That's fine. Sapling example 01. What are you angry about? Oh, you don't have a texture? What do you mean you don't have a texture? You poor thing. Oh, what did I rename these to? Prismatiscape underscore very generic tree sapling. Right. That doesn't... Well, actually, this does belong here, but I just have to bring it in first. Custom... this one here. Copy here. Prismatiscape. Jay's tree that he give. Jay's tree that he give. Now, what were they using? The fern. So I have to just go through all the materials. Actually, no, let me put the tree in. Tree. Bam. Don't crash on me. Thank you. Don't crash on me. Alright, Prismatiscape, example materials. I'll be right back. I really need to wee. All right, I'm back. All right, bush example. What's wrong with you? So this was the oak bush. Die. Which, to be fair, was just using vertex color, I think. So that should actually work with this. Potential. Kind of, yes. Oh, but the scale is funny. Bush going crazy, mate? Hell yeah, it is. It's a tree. I don't know if it is a tree, though. I think it's a bush. We got him. But the problem is because I'm scaling it down. It's just real fucked. Because it will go... Things scale their effects automatically. Anyway, dead grass example. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put in Prismatiscape harsh noise and Prismatiscape noise Prismatiscape cloud noise. We're going to put in B movie. Did you just quote George Bush? Yeah, I did. Hell yeah, brother. As should every freedom-loving American. Where's the parameter? There it is. These are our leaves now. Really good. Alright, fern example. No more texture. Sorry. Fern example. That means these ones, right? Good enough. Good enough. I think I do want that in there, but that should get multiplied by that. Why don't they have vertex color? How's your C++ journey going? I haven't started yet, and I probably never will. Probably never will. Small bush example. No texture. Get rid of you. I don't even know what small bush example was. Was that the one that I had on this tree? It was, it was. This one, tree example. No texture. I don't even have a fucking... Ugh. They're implementing plugin module stuff in C++? It is. I got someone else to do it. Or someone else offered to do it. By the name of Sovereign Dev. Sovereign Devigan. How can I do this tree fall off stuff? Affect distance fields, get out of here, bam. So how can I mean, if I just do this and the fucking, and that, you'll see how it goes. It'll think that both of them are the leaves or something. No, it won't. It thinks they're both the trunk. Makes sense, though. No, I think it does. Yeah, I can do this, I can do this. Hold on. It's really much a big project running on all Blueprint with the program I helped you before. It's spread now entirely. It's entirely Blueprint now, yeah. A lot of the stuff that Andrew did, he ported into his project that he started working on. Because I wanted to re-blueprintize a lot of it. Just so I could, like, keep expanding upon it. The old expand dong. Flappy Sphere? Hell yeah. Yeah, that should be a new game. Flappy Sphere. Alright, anything else that I'm missing? This test server looks like fucking asshole now. And these are just all not there anymore. I could replace them with this one. Custom Spiral Botanics. Very good. I kind of want to re-import this bigger though. Import scale. Ah, that's why. The bender? The jiggle... No, the wiggler. Why are they all fucked? Oh, because they're trying to use that other... Oh, no, no, they're supposed to look like that. The jiggler... Sampled at the pivot point. The jiggler sampled at world position. The squisher. The pusher, which is the vert pusher. Should probably update these to do the extras as well. Fuck. Eh. You know what? I can't be fucked. Fuck it. People can just watch the videos where I explain shit. Or just ask me. I'd rather just 100 people ask me a question rather than take a few minutes to implement some bullshit and write things. Writing. Cringe. Alright, let's see how broken this all is. That works. That's good. The ball. Oh, you know what else I need to fucking... Hold on. Example character. Animations. Get up animations. Yeet. Locomotion additive. Yeet. And now, in here, I just need to be like, hey, no, it can't look good. It's illegal for it to look good. Get up animation slot, we don't fucking do one. You just lerp from the fucking ragdoll end pose into the new pose. God forsake someone uses some additive leaning animations from fucking ALS in their marketplace example map for their example character. Jesus fucking Christ. That would be terrible. That's mine. These are all mine. That's mine. The component here will have a broken montage. We're not going to play a montage. We're just going to fucking delay Delay for 1.5 seconds, and that is gonna be your... do this. So that can fuck off, that can fuck off. This can just go in here. Yeah. Good on you, mate. Good on you, mate. Sweet. Click play. Character has no additive leaning. They just do some shitty running. They can still ragdoll. When they get up, they just... Let me change that delay to 1 second. Or 0.69. Alright. Also, I might change all of these to that texture. I feel like it's... No, because they have to write to the... dude. What's that one? They're all flat floor. Nah, it's fine, it's fine. It doesn't have to look good. The plugin isn't about visuals anyway. Cool, leaves are all good. The balls are mine. Oh wait, what if I'm using a free sphere asset? Alright, these are all good. Zero functions, they'll do their thing. Yeah. Except the pusher. Oh no, that does it. And then that squishes. Cool. Can't use sphere epic provides? True. Oh, I need to do a collision on these. And these also have to write to the fellas. Draw to Prismatiscape, dude. Grab this. And go into it. Fucking make me some damn collision, MF. Not too bad. Let's, hull precision higher. Hull count higher. Apply. Doing its thing. Doing its thing. Pretty good. Good enough. We'll call it there. Oh, and I have to put some things on top of them to show that, hey, this does work with not just flat shit. Foliage. How did I get some of these? Can I do singles? Wow, look at that. Incredible. Oh, look, we'll get some of these. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my god. We'll get some sov grass up there. See collision. Nah, I've never actually been able to successfully import collision from like Blender and stuff. It's just never worked. Alright, we're done. I'm calling it there. It's all done. If it gets pulled up again, then it's just not going on the marketplace. They can just miss out on the sales. On the potentially $100 of fees that they could charge. Is it right to tell a material that if it's on a different mesh, it should use a different color set? Not explicitly, no. You would have to... if you had some extra data in the mesh itself, like, you know, UV data, where you could, like, say, hey, this is in mask 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, you could do it that way. But then you'd be running all of that code on all of the shaders anyway. So you'll just have to do a material instance. So, like, yeah, have this thing here. You know, you've got your master material that has all the code in it, but then you can have a parameter. Parameter goes into there. Hit save. And then in the material instance... Sorry, in the material instance... I don't have one in this case, but in the material instance, you've got the parameter, and you can adjust that per thing, so... Yeah. You could use custom primitive data, but you'd have to have a good way to apply that en masse. You know what I mean? So you could have, like, the color of the flowers in custom data. In, like, a custom data 3 vector. And then you could just change that. I don't think you can set mesh defaults. Yeah, no, you can't set custom data like default per mesh. You'd have to do it when you place something in the world. Bam. Custom data. Custom primitive data defaults, blah, blah, blah. Or, yeah, use an editor utility or in whatever the class is that you've spawned. Alright, let's go here. Modeling mode. No, not UVs. Attributes. Polygroups. Just let me right click. Asset actions. Assign default polygroup layers. Yeah. All good, Optimus Primitive. Have a good one. Have a good one. Sitting on a leather chair without a shirt on should be a crime. That sounds very sticky. I feel like you would, like, fuse into the chair. I mean, I've done that before. As a kid. Because we had, like, 2 leather couches. So I do know the feeling. Ah, wrong channel. Is that correct? Let's try the vertex color. Right, good on them. These ones here are not too bad. They actually look fine. I'll keep them there. Right, this one here. You need some loving. Oops. Cool. Wait, what's that? Just shit verts. That's fine. Accept. Right click. Scripted asset actions. Pivot paint. Yes. 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 Cool. Sweet. I don't even know what the fuck these are supposed to be anymore. Funny triangle flowers. They technically have stalks. You know what? I guess I have to. Shift Q. No, not Shift Q. Shift G. Yep. And this one. I think that's it. The rest are kind of detached enough that it doesn't matter. Oh, this one. Accept. Right click. Asset actions. What are these? Are they just debris? Yeah, I kind of yeah. Get on you little fellas. Material instance? Yeah, material instance is usually the simplest. I need to fucking... Jeez, my brain's not on yet. Where's the... Right here. Prism single player? No, I've done co-op replication. Like client authoritative or client combat authoritative replication. Which is actually kind of ironically more annoying than server authoritative. I'm quite easy person, something I might make a few plugins that help with replication. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I feel like replication is such a per project thing. It'd be kind of hard to, at least I think it would be hard to pluginize. Like something like Smooth Sync works because it takes care of one very specific thing, which is movement. Like replicating the transform of a thing, of an actor. And that's like all it does. There's no health system selling you want. Yeah, I guess. But that would be more like here's a game template or like a you know, a full-on system that is replicated. It's not really just a. It doesn't help with replication. It's like a. It's a system that has replication supported, like already thought of and whatnot. All right, let's just do a quick test. Alright, so they do their thing. It's a little bit cursed, but it technically works. Yeah. Maybe I'll make it a tiny bit smaller. I think it's already, yeah, it's 1.5 size. You can be 1.5. Cool. These ones here, they do their thing. Yep, I made these, by the way. This one, yep. Same as always. These ones just squish down, the squishy boys. Cool. That's all good. The grass is good. Good. Right, water still works. The leaves are cursed as fuck, but they work. These new and improved thingos all work. New. These still work, probably. They're really big. But yes, they work. Did you say you're working on put this on the microphone? Yeah, I just had to remove some example assets because they're very stingy about God forsake anyone uses Quixel, a Quixel asset, which is free on the marketplace, to show off a code plugin. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh, all right, good enough. God, next they're gonna be like, actually, you used nanite in you used Niagara in your plugin, which is actually copyrighted by Epic Games. Yeah, like you said, Rosie, I'll probably get pulled up for using Unreal Engine next. Don't want to do that. What if they accidentally get the free assets for free? Yeah, exactly, exactly. Pretty sure you're banned from using Cascade at all? Yeah, true. Actually, that is fair. I mean, I've never used Cascade. I started Unreal Engine after Niagara was like the norm. You don't want to, it's so bad? Yeah, I've heard that it was a bit weird. Bit weird, champ. The only Cascade I use is Cascadeur. Cascadeur. Who up Casca they deur? Can I get up? Oh, I can get up there. Oh, look, and they still interact. Wow, who would have freaking thought that they'd interact on uneven surfaces? Wow, wow. Maybe a Cascade Shadows. Oh, true. Yeah, Niagara Shadows. Real conversation. Legit, though. Alright, and that is all working. Yeah, there's our boundaries. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. Alright, this is like good enough to fucking... It's good enough. Right. There was one thing I wanted to... What was it? I just wanted to check the default resolution settings and shit. Why is the wind resolution so high in my project? Maybe because I wanted to test something out? Oh, I needed... Yeah, right, because I was testing out the... Just making sure that it travels at the same speed regardless of other shit. And the noise and whatnot. Also, you know, I'm going to delete all the LEDs. They're just taking up extra space. Example meshes. Nope, that's not it. That's a dead folder. Dead folder. Demo, blah, blah, blah. Example character can go in the demo. Yeah. Example BPs, yeah. Nice one, Reggie. Nice one. Meshes. What is happening to... Why are they going funny when I move my mouse on them? Can you guys see that? Am I tripping balls? What the fuck is that about? Huh? Why is... What? It must be because the Niagara system is... Huh? So weird. Playing with the UI fridge, huh? Yeah, I mean, it must be when you... When this level instance loads... The... Because the manager is spawned by the subsystem? Wow, that's kind of confusing. I don't know. Feature not a bug? Yeah. I don't mind real-time thumbnails, but it's just weird that... Anyway. What was the thing I was just doing? LODs. LOD? Num LODs. Num? Num? Number of LODs, 0. And apply. Where do I hit apply? Apply changes. Cool. So now there's no LODs. Cool. So now I can right click. Level of detail. Copy LOD. Go to all of these ones. Click. Level of detail. Paste LOD. So now these should have no LODs. Cool. I have arisen. Is it working with nano? I mean, there's no reason it shouldn't. It's just a material effect, you know? You know what? Next, they're gonna fucking pull me up for using Prismatica. Prismatica assets. Anyway, we're done. We're done. I'm pretty sure if this doesn't pass, then I don't know fucking what will. Like, all of these assets look like fat ass. Like, absolute dog shit. And this isn't even doing the fucking thing now. What feature is showing off with this? Well, the entire plugin. You know that plugin that I've been working on for 3 months? Okay, I'll run you through it in a sec then. Oops. I'm pretty sure these have vertex color. Yes, good. Sample wind, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, pivot point, mask. Yeah, I'll just do that then. Add -0. Jesus. See, why do they... Okay, no, not that. Let's see. Material. Bam, bam. Yeah, I've just given up on making this look any good. It's not a possibility anymore. Like the example stuff. Like the learning materials. Okay, but where's the fucking jiggler? Jiggle size big. Max magnitude is what I'm looking for. Good enough. Alright. Let's get rid of that vertex color now. Right, so the plugin. The plugin, for those of you that are uninitiated, it is an all-in-one, locally bound global interaction system. If none of that means anything to you, then you are not alone. But the gist of it is it does water. It does wind. It does wind and water. It does earth. It doesn't do fire. It's, you know, it's got the foliage does the thing, the grass all ripples around and gets splattered and shit. You can make props block the wind and stuff. You can... It's got a pivot painting tool in it. It's got bubble interactors. You know, this kind of shit. Blech. Works on a large scale, because it's stateless. So there's no collisions or anything, it's just all a render target. Can interact with particles. Particles can read from the render targets and whatnot. The deform input can draw to the wind, like that. You get some sonic effects. So they're all like intertwined simulations. Interlocked, intertwined. Can do this. It can do the water and shit on uneven surfaces. You can use the water height as an extra mask as well if you wanted to. There's some shit. Some more shit there. Got these things here. The easy mode functions. Yeah, that's the gist of it. And it's very cheap. It's very inexpensive performance-wise. In fact, it makes your game run better. It doesn't. But it is very cheap. What are we at? 1.1 millisecond. Can I... Oh, I've got the things all up to maximum. Hold on. Water resolution, 512. Surface resolution, that's fine, I guess. Input resolution, that's also fine. Yeah. Profiles are all good. Are they real? Where's their thumb? Why is their thumbnail weird? I do not like this. Eh? Anyway, they're all fine. Fuck it. Check how studios didn't know about this plugin. Yeah, could have saved them some time. Using UE4 anyway. True. Jeez, how long was that game in development for? Who the hell uses Unreal 4 these days? Am I right, fellas? You'd have to either be silly or have a big nose to use Unreal 4. Let me fix up redirectors. Autodesk engine. Never heard of that before. I'm pretty sure these don't work anymore because they don't... Yeah, and I think they've just... I know Sov... I don't want to delete them though. I could reparent them. You know, people using Blender at AAA studios. Oh yeah, for modeling and stuff. Apparently, at Ubisoft they use Blender in a lot of their studios, which makes sense because everyone would have learned 3D modeling. If they didn't go to university specifically for it, they would have learned using Blender. Makes sense because Ubisoft's cheap as hell. Are they? Right, here's what I'm gonna do. How do I want to structure this? Yeah, let's do like the old defecated. You guys can just move to there. This asset failed to save. What do you mean? Yeah, but that wasn't even... Huh? Okay. Okay, well, they're not even... Anyway. I make a blueprint class of deform or Prismatiscape. Well, yeah, here's all the actual C++ classes of them. Oh, and Sov did the 2-socket as well. Nice, nice. So if someone wanted to make a template and they could do this, and this one's called My Character Deform Component. Or they could just put it straight on a character and edit these things. So active profile of body. Got all of the bony dudes. Bone profiles, full body and only feet. Hell yeah. Draw strength. Draw by default is visible. Da da da. Cool. And that is the C++ class. So I don't even need to make a child of it. Because it's literally all there. Alright, just continue. So I mean, these are in C++ now. Can I get rid of these? Oh my god, this fucking... You know what, I'm just gonna... Just don't save that one. Where am I again? Here. Gonna buy a Brushify plug for the grass, and this has the same thing. What's Brushify do? What does it do? What it does do? Because this plugin's focused more around the, actually drawing, like, creating the interaction simulations, not about the actual material effects. Although I do include all the material effects as, like, learning resources and whatnot. I marked these as deprecated, didn't I? Oh, so this component data is deprecated too. Components deprecated. No, the grass area has movement for the grass. Ah, yes, it might just contain just like shaders for just like the regular wind. Or like a global wind shader. Which if you don't need local simulation, like, yeah, it's usually fine. I mean, no one needs local wind simulation, you know. It's just nice when you do explosions. The explosions can do stuff. Deprecated underscore CPP component use CPP component base classes. Never realize I need local simulations till I have it. Yeah, exactly. Alright, so that's all good. We've got the demo folder. Material functions is all of these. We've got the explainer mats, which have been moved to the demo thing. Easy mode functions. Gang's all here. Sweet. Prismatiscape content. We got the Niagara modules, which has the leaves test, the Prismatiscape test leaves, whatever. The Pivot Painter, which has the Pivot Painter, the Pivot Painter Actor, the Foliage Type Enum. The Pivot Test material is fucked. That's fine. I don't even know why I need a texture anyway, you know, it's just a... What even is this one? That's like nothing. Just yeet. I just wanted to text coordinate 2 append vector 0 transform position local to world multiply by this. Yep. And then that can just die. Yep. Cool. The pulse data stuff is... Pulses are still all done in Blueprint, I think. That's fine. Render targets, gang's all here. Cool. RVTs, all good. What even is fucking SVT? Why do I don't need it. But simulation profiles, they're all there. Default profiles, that one's WIP. So, one thing I wanted to add was the... I didn't want to hard reference the RVTs. RVTs nuts. Here. I wanted these to be user params, which I think I can do, possibly. But yeah, I'll just do it in the manager. These are all... not need... you know what? I'll release this update, see if anything breaks for anyone. If it doesn't, I'll like incrementally break things for everyone. That sounds fine. Yeah, I just want to do water height RVT. Wait, but can I set runtime virtual texture object reference? I just have to set it as a fucking parameters user exposed runtime virtual texture sample. Which is a runtime virtual texture sample. That doesn't make sense. Interaction height or landscape height RVT. And then if we just say here, can that just be a, no, it has to like hard reference it. No, texture user parameter, where the valid parameter is used as a texture or other one on the data interface. When valid, use parameter is used as the, no. Okay, what if I, do I have to set? Oh no, there we go. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Here we go. You here. Landscape height RVT bam bam. So then that's null to begin with. If we say landscape height RVT and we go to the event graph and we say on begin play, set initial parameters. Let's just fucking do this and say Niagara. Fuck it, I'll do it here. Why not? Whoop. Set parameter variable. It would have to be object, wouldn't it? Yeah, and it can probably just figure it out. Object this variable name. Landscape height RVT. We'll just see if this works. Compile, save. So this isn't set right now. If I do this, then, well, that's because that's at 0. So yeah, this isn't drawing because it has no reference to it. But because that's at world 0, that's 0 is the default, obviously. If we then go into here, we say landscape height RVT and Prismatiscape landscape height RVT. We go here, we press P, and it doesn't work. Well, fuck me dead. Why would this be? Well. Landscape height RVT user parameter. To initialize per system and modified externally in the level by blueprint by C++. What are my other user exposed types? Texture. Just texture? You know what? Nah, fuck it. We're just gonna hard code it. People can just, I don't know, make a duplicate, and if they want to change it and shit. I mean, yeah, anyway. YOLO. Land. Escape height RVT yeet. Nope, it can just fuck off. I can also fuck off. You can go whoop into there. Save all. Everything still works, probably. Yeah, yeah. Rightio. Plugins. Prismatiscape. That's really big. That would be because source Prismatiscape. No, it would be in binaries. Win64. The PDB files. Yeet. Intermediate. I probably want to just keep that. Resources, icon, source, stuff. Right click, properties, how big are you? 58 megabytes, but it doesn't have any textures anymore. Where's tree size? Yes, I can make all the changes to my device. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Textures, 24, yeah. Oh, because they're not downsampled. The other one. This plugin not working with replication? It doesn't need to. It doesn't need to replicate whatsoever. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's just these textures, which I can yeet down. Solves live? Hell yeah. That means I can... That means I'm free from this prison whenever I feel like. Yeah, the plugin doesn't need to replicate. If you're doing... what's it called? Server emulation. So like you're using one machine to test multiplayer and stuff. It will cause issues because both instances are going to be reading from the same render targets. So you'll just have to do like an authority switch somewhere. Got any character models? Ooh. The ones with the feet? Watching an ad. Hell yeah. Yo, look at that fat ass.
Because guys have longer torsos. And it was hard to...
Sorry.
He looked weird if we didn't, basically, but his legs also look kind of short, so... Prismatica, how's it going, man? Are you streaming right now? Also, Chuck, how's it going? He is streaming right now. We caught him. Platinum, how's it going, man? You are Streamception. Oh, yeah.
Streamception.
The morph targets working.
Oh, yeah, true.
So, looking pretty good. And
That's
then
solid.
I tried doing some testing for merging with morph targets.
Oh, merging with morph targets.
What to do to get it to work. Just had to check it out. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's not bad. There's still some proportion issues that I want to solve, but it's not bad. I like it. Yeah, merging more. Yeah, I think I know what to do. to get it to work.
Nice.
But yeah,
He knows what to do.
I was actually really excited about this. I made a hat for the character. Just to see how easy it would be to like.
Did you say it?
project them
Oh, a
out
hat.
and keep working with it.
Hat. Making an online game. I wonder if it would be possible to track several players on the screen. Yeah, absolutely. You can track as many things as you want on the screen. Just think of it like, from my perspective, let's just say I'm a player. Anything that is near me that has the components on it will draw to my version of the interaction. And for them, you know, I will be here and they will have their version of the render target on their machine. And, you know, I'll have that component enabled, and so I'll be drawing to their render target. So it'll all just sync up coincidentally. But it's not actually, like, replicating, you know? That's what I mean by it doesn't need to replicate. Because it'll just run locally on every machine. What was that on again? The demo textures. The dirt one is a 2K texture. So I need to yeet it out. Into the kill myself folder. We open up Photoshop. I just wanted to clarify the possibilities. Yeah. Hmm. 512. Bam. Hope this works. Maybe I should export it again, but dirt, yeah. Hello, Anton. Thank you for the copy-paste message. I appreciate it. You could have at least said... Could have at least found out my name is Charles and be like, hey there, Charlie. I'd appreciate if you play a Go Secret on itch.io. You know what I mean? That's my feedback on the game. Is when you do untargeted, unsolicited advertisement, you want to at least try and personalize it, you know? Where do I re-import? Why can... Oh, it's a new file. Shut up, Rosie. What the fuck? Stop copy pasta. No copy pasta. Illegal. Where is the texture? Why am I looking on the internet for my texture that I just exported? Right click. And go to open file location. There we go. And this one, please. Fuck. Oh god, no. Oh no. Okay, wait. We go back out and don't save that. Why did it not export the... Oh, it must be the thingo. Actually, did that right now. Thanks for the great advice. No worries, no worries. I appreciate the hustle. I appreciate the hustle. And you know what? You're doing better than 99% of people in here because you've released a game. And that's something to be proud of. How do I open up Unreal Engine again? Well, I'm like totally brain dead. I said I had a family function for dinner, didn't I? This is what happens after I leave the house for more than like an hour. If I have to leave the house for something other than grocery shopping, this is what becomes of me. I just turn into a piece of shit. Alright, let's go to... Yeah, it's because of the alpha. Well, actually, if I do this as a HDR compressed... Yeah... Then maybe it will export as an EXR. Now we're talking. Export. There we go. Come on, please. Please. What the flip? What the I can probably just find this texture in my asset folder. Make a game. Where's the thing? Unreal Engine, Prismatica external, textures. What do we got? What do we got? No, because it's the height map one as well. So we're covering the party I went to last night. Oh, look here. We got someone that leaves the house. Wow. We've got a house leaver. I wonder if I can... Unless the party was at your house. In which case, I take it back. Friend's birthday, kind of have to... Yeah, no, that's fair enough. It would be rude not to. But yeah, I never miss family events, family functions, because they are... very important, you know? You only get one family. Especially if they're good. Good fam. You need to cherish your family. Alright, can I... So that is a height map right there. And this is a texture that I made. How can I put this into the B channel of this? I just did it. Is that actually that simple? Okay. Am I sure that's... Yeah, okay, cool. And then we're gonna... Mode... No. Image size... Oh my god, it's 4K. Okay, very small. You have become small. Haha, small bean XD. Where am I putting this? Need to put it in the kill myself folder. Bam. And now, hold on. Where did I put it? Groundrocknormal.png. Is that it? Is that the one? Yeah. Now you live here. And you are not actually a normal, you are a default. Wow, compression. Compression real. Yeah, it's all good. Because then we can do delete the dirt texture, right? And we replace it with the ground rock normal. Yeah. 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 Oh, it's around the wrong way. Shit. Oh, fucking, what the... Wait, is that just because the G channel? Wait, was that what the issue was? Yes. G channel flipper. All right, cool. Okay, so now we can zip. Oh, I didn't change the name of it. I need to put a sarcastic name on it. I just want to eat noodles. I just want to eat noodles and play Kenshi. I just want to eat noodles, play Kenshi, and watch Sovereign Dev stream. That's all I want right now. It's called Prismatiscape Rocky Thing I Done in Mixer. Cool. Alright, now we exit. Now we go to the this. We go to the this. We go to the this. Check it. It's now 50 megabytes. It still seems really big. Content is... Oops. 43 megabytes. Content... Demo. How much is in demo? 26 megabytes. Well, where's all the other shit? Render targets? No, because they're not real. RV... No, it couldn't be these. No. Because they'll get their runtime. Where's the... Fuck it, I'm opening up size tree. Tree size, sorry, not size tree. Alright, it's in textures, example materials, demo, example character. Oh, animations. Yeah, true. And they'd be... Right, that's the things. And then this is just textures, 16 megabytes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Alright. Fuck it. Right click. Send to compress zip folder. Prismatiscape v1.02.5 dot marketplace edition. Marketplace special edition. Cool. Anyone want to test it? Anyone, any Prismatiscape users that have version control that want to plop this plugin version in and see if it breaks everything on their project? Any testers? Doing Prismatiscape user? Honestly, I can't tell at this point, Rosie. You know everything about the plugin. What's Sov doing?
Rig Pro Rig, not the UE5 rig. I don't know what we're doing in Sovereign. If I'm being honest, I don't know at all.
Nah, I just want to test if stuff breaks for people that have already done their own implementation. It shouldn't break. It shouldn't throw any errors. Yeah, I'll upload it to Gumroad as an experimental build. Does the plugin with Nano works quite well? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, some people were having issues with getting it to work with Nano, but it turns out it was just the world position offset distance disabler. Because Nanite gets kind of expensive when WPO's on or something. Gum. Onto the gums. Let's upload new. Insert file. Computer file. Prismatica game. Plugins. Prismatiscape Marketplace Special Edition. This will probably kill the stream for a bit. No, it seems fine. Ugh. Elvish. Elvish. How do you go about backing up your projects? I use GitHub. And I use Git for Windows. So I use Git for Windows on the GitHub server or whatever it's called. Any Gits in the chat? Yeah, Git good. Yeah, so basically I just do Git bash, although you can get like visual versions of it. You know, Git status, and this will tell me all of the changes I've made since the last commit, or if I've moved stuff around. And then I can just go git add-a, and then I can git commit -m quotation Prismatiscape Marketplace from Hell Edition. Finished V2 final pre-master. And that will then commit all of those changes. But then, if I wanted to if I was like, oh wait, no, fuck, I broke something, I can just do like git, you know, check out a previous commit, and it will pull all of the versions. I don't think it can do versioning of large format files. I don't know actually. How big is like my Git folder? Mm, 40 gigabytes. That's not too bad. Yeah, well, there you go. But yeah, basically anytime you make a change to something, it will save a version of it at each commit. If it's been changed, obviously. So yeah, I'd highly recommend looking at source control. And I mean, it also acts as a backup because the entire project is on the server as well. Famously reliable service. Are they not reliable? Failed a couple of times. As in they lost data, or they just went down and you couldn't retrieve or upload things to it? Lost data for some people? Oh, right. Well, luckily they would have had it all locally as well, right? Am I right? Really lost my project, didn't have a backup, so I learned the hard way. Yeah. I think everyone's... Well, I haven't. But I think a lot of people have been through that situation where, like, yeah, you've lost something important that there's, you know, no chance of recovering and whatnot. The good thing about using versioning is that it's like if you... There's been times where I've made a change that causes the engine to crash on startup. So, like, I'll have, like, a... I'll have made some change to a blueprint, and that blueprint is in the startup level, and it causes a crash. So whenever I open up the engine, it loads that level, and it crashes immediately. I can't go in and fix it and whatever. And, you know, you could do... you could just go into your content folder and just delete that thing. Or go into your, you know, SLN file and change the startup map or whatever. But with Git, you can go to a previous commit, like the entire project, or you can just check out a previous version of that particular file. So revert just this file to, you know, the one that I committed yesterday that wasn't crashing the engine, and then go from there. Or just revert it back, so then you can get into the engine, change the startup level, or change, you know, delete it from that map, and then exit the engine, and then change it back to the one that was causing a crash when it was in the level, but then it won't be in the level, so you can, you know, double click and edit it. Like, there's a bunch of stuff you can do with Git, and it's all non-destructive. So, well, mostly non-destructive. It's only destructive if you confidently tell it to be destructive by doing, like, you know, git --reset or git reset --hard or stuff like that. Hard. I was Core Pilot banned? What do you mean? What, on Twitch or on... Huh? Has someone, like, misclicked or some shit? Huh? Huh? What am I doing weird shit? What, do you get, like, timed out automatically? Wow, I'm confused. Like Twitch auto mod? Or the are we talking Discord or Twitch? I'm Confucian. Confucian. I need to write a post about Prismatiscape chat. Share. Copy Earl. Copy Earl. I see an unban button, but when I press it, it says Copilot is not currently banned from this channel. Gotcha. Weird champ. Alright, need to make a post in here. Hey all. I'll be submitting the final V2 pre-master final demo. Actually final version of the plugin to the marketplace, and was wondering if anyone would like to install it and see if there are any errors / breakages on their end. V 1.02.5 on Gumroad. Cool. Alright, I might even just send it to them now. You know. Katunan, hello. Wouldn't happen to know anything about underwater post-processing, translucency disappearing into it. I'm struggling. I think there is a tick box or a setting or something where you can do like not like translucency sort order. It might be the draw to depth pass or draw to depth buffer on translucent materials. I can't really... There's a lot of weird stuff with translucent materials. I tend to just avoid them, full stop. I just use opaque with dithering. Which doesn't work for all games, obviously, but... yeah. Alright, well... I'm probably just going to do a bit more a bit more testing, just make sure plugin doesn't... I'll see if I can package the test level again and whatnot. See if I get any errors. But aside from that, kind of done. I mean, I could continue working on Prismatica stuff, but I'm kind of just too tired. I think I'll just work on that in my own time. In my own time tonight. I've had a long day, but I will stream tomorrow at a reasonable hour. Maybe like start at 8 o'clock. So like 20 hours? No, what's 8 o'clock? 18 hours from right now. I can try, Adam. Do you know, like, what are they... What's the gist of them? Is it, like, particular things in the error log? Translucency disappears for some reason when there's no background for it. Yeah. Yeah, that is weird. That is weird. Weird, champ. But yeah, usually with compile errors, running it as administrator can help. And then also, I remember you did that. You did the untick read only on that folder. But yeah, if you do a build, if you try build it again and just send me a screenshot of it, I should be able to, because I've probably run into it as well. Yeah. Anyway, I think we will call that a stream. I know it was a little short one, a little baby 3-hour stream. But nonetheless, I really appreciate everyone hanging out with me and putting up with my whinging about the the marketplace reviewer guidelines, something. Maybe we'll do a sleep. Maybe I'll just sleep again. Do a sleep stream. Just one of these ones. Maybe we'll just hang out for a bit. So how's everyone's day going? Or how was everyone's day? Or how is everyone's day going? Everybody needs to work or something? Yeah. Like, as long as it gets to the point where it's like, oh yeah, we tried building it and there were like, you know, there was a build error or something. Mind 78. Nip Slip Stream Engine. I'm intrigued. What do you mean, Nip Slip Stream Engine? Are you a honk shoe sleeper or a me sleeper? I don't think I snore. I think I'm more of a like a Age of Empires villager trained sound. Like a shh. I guess that's kind of honk shoe, but what would you be if you're a cartoon? I think I'd be a honk shoe snorer. Slipstream engine, spaceship. True. Some freestyle. Freestyle rapper. My hair smells so good. Where'd he go? I've reawoken as the chosen one. Too big. Got the autism powers out, sacrificing the social bit. Damn, bro. One of the lucky few. Yo, who's hyped for the Elden Ring DLC? I'm pumped. I'm a pumped boy. Me, I never beat Margit? What the fuck? What do you mean you never beat Margit? You can just go around him. Every full co-op mod still work? Yeah, seamless co-op. That would actually be really, really nice. It should work. Yeah, no, it should work. It means play Elden Ring for ages. It's very worth playing. If you haven't bought it yet, I think you can buy the DLC and the base game for like discount, like base game half price or something. You telling me you can go around it? Well, it's an open world game. You can just go to a different area. You can just go somewhere else, level up, and steamroll him, you know? Yeah, but like playing games is hard though. I mean, yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Sometimes I think like, oh, you know, I should relax by playing a game, and then it's like, oh, but I have to like choose which game I want to play, and even that is too much for me. So I just end up watching YouTube videos. But then I open up YouTube and I'm like, oh, what do I want to watch? Luckily, YouTube's got a recommended videos algorithm. Otherwise, I'd just find myself looking at the wall for like hours at a time. And how big the map is, I exploded though. It's crazy. Like, I was over 10 feet, a glowy bush went behind it. There was a portal, took me to the heart of Caleb. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah. Yeah. Did you ever make it underground, Rosie? Because that's a whole thing. It's basically like, I mean, every it's not like spoilers, but yeah, when you take that elevator, it's like, Jesus fucking Christ. It's like you thought the game was big, and then you realize that there's like literally basically the entire map, but underground kind of thing. I mean, it's not the entire map underground, but it feels like it. Yeah, it's the easiest of all Souls games for me. Yeah. I mean, I think it's like that by design, because it's open-ended. Because, like, you know, Dark Souls 1 was a bit non-linear, but if you look at, like, Dark Souls 3, which is, like, fairly, like, branching linear, it's like, you know, I mean, there are points in Dark Souls 3 where, like, you need to beat this boss to progress further. So you'd either have to just grind out levels and level up or just get good. Whereas Elden Ring, it's like you can still progress in other directions if you get stuck on a boss or whatnot. Like, if you struggle with Margit, you can go to the Weeping Peninsula and fight the Leonine Misbegotten or whatever. Or just, like, mini-bosses and then... Or find a busted-ass weapon or find upgrade materials and then just steamroll. Take me YouTube into the algorithm soft embrace, yeah. Literally me, literally also me. Literally also literally me. Lies of P was something else? Yeah, Lies of P was sick. Lies of P was a banger. A true banger. I need to look for a new game to play. I've kind of beaten Kenshi. Or I might start like a solo Kenshi character. Solo no pause permadeath. Stealth thief build. But no pause, because pausing is cringe. Remnant if you haven't already. I don't know. Same with Helldivers. I'm not a big, like, guns person. I feel like guns are kind of... I don't know. It's not as visceral. It's not sort of reactive enough. You can do I mean, I know you can do melee, but... You know what I mean. I much prefer, like, the, sort of... the risk-reward of melee combat stuff. What about Arquebus? Well, Arquebus is different because its reload time is, like, extremely long. The long boy. So it's like, you know, it's not really like a gun at that point in the traditional shooter sense. We tried Blade of Darkness. I have not. I haven't heard of that. I don't think. Anyway, we're gonna raid Soveragan Deveragan. He is working on characters. Characters that have no clothes on. But, hold up. They're not textured, so... And they also don't have faces. They don't have any defining features, so... Anyway. Yeah, no nips. They're just... like the bonnet of a Porsche. Anyway, let's raid. And with that, we say goodbye. And also YouTube, fellas. Thank you very much for hanging out. We also say goodbye to you guys. Goodbye, goodbye.